Have you ever been so betrayed that instead of crying, you plotted the perfect payback? Well, that's exactly what I did when I found out my boyfriend cheated on me with my best friend. He thought he was clever. He thought I'd never find out. But guess what? I found everything, the texts, the pictures, and the secret nickname they used for me. Project Dummy. That's what they called me. So yeah, I decided to stop being their project and become their lesson. It all started when I began noticing little things. He'd laugh at texts but hide his screen. She'd act overly nice to me, like she was trying too hard. Then one day, during a group study session, her phone buzzed and I saw his name light up. I didn't say anything. Not yet. I took a deep breath, snapped a quick picture of her phone, and acted normal. But inside, I was burning. Over the next few days, I gathered proof, screenshots, DMs, call logs, even a photo they accidentally took together. When I had enough, I knew what I had to do. See, they both lived for attention, posting selfies, chasing likes, pretending to be perfect. So I decided to use their world against them. I created a fake account, The Truth Teller. Then I posted a collage of pictures, their messages, their selfies, and a caption that said, "Some couples deserve each other, especially the ones who lie." Within an hour, the post blew up. People started tagging them. My phone buzzed non-stop. By the next morning, it had over 50,000 views and was trending on campus. They tried to deny it at first, but the evidence was too strong. Her face turned red, his excuses got weaker, and everyone knew the truth. I didn't stop there. I walked into school wearing a t-shirt that said, "Project Dummy graduated smiling face with sunglasses." People cheered. She cried. He avoided me for weeks. And the best part? I didn't have to yell, fight, or beg for justice. The truth spoke for itself, louder than anything I could have said. A few weeks later, I got a DM from him. He said, "You didn't have to humiliate me like that." I replied, "You didn't have to cheat like that." Then I blocked him. Now, every time I see someone pretending to be loyal online, I just smile. Because I know, karma doesn't miss. Sometimes, it just needs a little push. Speech balloon ending message. So yeah, if someone cheats on you, don't waste tears. Use your pain as power. Revenge doesn't have to be violent, it just has to be smart. Because when they break your heart, make sure they remember. You might cry once, but they'll regret it forever.